Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today's video, I wanted to show you how I package up my Patreon rewards. I know I've done this in the past, but I wanted to be more specific about where I get my products printed out and where I get my packaging stuff printed out. So basically, I wanted to talk a bit about packaging stuff first. I usually package everything up in tissue paper. I do have some plastic sleeves for original art, which I'm scared about getting ruined, and everything goes into a cardboard mailer. So if you don't know about Noissue, they do tissue paper, custom tape, stickers, labels, cards, and mailers. So I was sent a few stuff from them. And the first one is this card, which I made custom with a portrait of my cat, and on the back it has all my social media details. Now the front had the text right here, which was supposed to be printed out, but when they sent the proof I didn't notice that the text was gone. So that's totally my fault, but I think it turned out even better because now I can write thank you and the name of the person who will receive the Patreon reward. So I think that's actually a pretty cool idea. And yeah, the paper is glossy, as you can see, and it's really nice quality, and the print turned out really nice. So if you're looking to add some cute cards to add to your orders or to your packages that you send out, this is a really good option. And they also sent me a few of their compostable makers. Now these look pretty big, but I decided to use these this month instead of the tissue paper because they are compostable, which I think is a pretty cool idea, and they are plant-based, so they claim that they will disappear in the compost within 6 months. So that's better than using plastic, I guess. I don't know if it's better than using tissue paper, but I wanted to give this a try and see how my patrons feel about them. I will say they have a funny smell to them and I don't know if it's because they are plant-based or not, but yeah, I think this is a really good option. So I wanted to talk a bit about Noissue. As I said, it's an eco-friendly packaging type of brand. They do plant one tree for each order you make, which I think is great. They plant the trees in areas which need reforestation. And yeah, their products range from compostable, recyclable, and reusable. Also, they ship worldwide, but do keep in mind that it could take even to 21 days to get your package. Now, this was not the case for me. My packages arrived pretty easily and fast. They did send these two things in two separate packages, and I did have a couple of issues with the mailers because they were the customs asked me for additional paperwork to send out the package, but this is a Romanian thing and you will probably not have many issues with that. As I said, they are customizable, so if you want to get customizable tissue paper, that's an option, or if you want to get customizable tape, that's also an option, and you can use their online design tool, which is really easy to use, and yeah, you can make really cool stuff. I recommend you check out their Instagram. They have a lot of reposts from artists and people who have their own businesses, and yeah, use their packaging customized by them. Also, I wanted to show you how the cards came. The cards came in this really beautiful packaging, and yeah, it looks so pretty, right? So I really appreciate the details. Well, they are a customizable packaging website, but yeah, I really wanted to show you how this came. I really loved the whole look of it. So in terms of where I get my products printed, I do have a couple of places that I've tried and I can recommend to you guys. So one of the places I get my stickers done is based in Romania. It's called Sticker Republic. I have made die-cut stickers with them, so these two are made with Sticker Republic. They look really nice, high quality vinyl, and I've made sticker sheets with them also. So these adorable cats and dogs sticker sheets are made there, and I'm really happy with the quality of it, and also with their customer service. They were really fast to reply to me, to send everything out. I had no issues with the shipping. So if you're in Romania and looking to make stickers, I would highly recommend these. Now, if you don't live in Romania, there is another option I can recommend. I have tried Sticker Mule and ordered 2 different products from them. They are based in Italy, and yeah, I made these die-cut stickers. They came very fast. The proofing took like a couple of hours to do for the design, and they sent everything within a week or 2, I think. So the shipping was pretty fast, exactly when they scheduled it, and yeah, the quality is really nice. So I highly recommend them, and also I recommend you sign up for their newsletter. They send out offers with 50% off each week, so you can get really good prices. And another thing I did at Sticker Republic were these acrylic charms. Now these have a removable plastic thingy on them so they don't get scratched, so I didn't remove them yet. I haven't posted them anywhere, but they just came in this week and I really love the way they look. Also a really good price. I used their 50% off offer, and I was very happy again with the shipping and everything. So I recommend you check out Sticker Mule if you want to get stickers or labels or acrylic charms. I think they also do tape. So yeah, I will link everything in the description box so you can check out these websites. So another place which is really good for illustrators if they want to do custom products is awesomemerch.com or .co.uk. I'm not sure. I think it's co.uk because they are based in the UK. Anyways, I made these tiny pocket mirrors in 2 designs. So this is one with my cat, and this is a little bird pocket mirror. They are really pretty. The quality is very nice. The shipping did take longer than expected, and I didn't receive any type of notification that my parcel was sent out, so that was a bit weird. But you can get a lot of stuff printed at this website. So basically from t-shirts, apparel, prints, postcards, stickers, enamel pins, you name it, it's there. The prices are a bit high for me personally, but the quality is really nice. And yeah, if you don't know where to print stuff, I would recommend this site also. I just wanted to quickly show you the types of envelopes I use. These are cardboard envelopes. They are recyclable, so they do have the recycle symbol here. I get them from a Romanian website which is called Rogri, and I got them in 2 different sizes, so an A5 and an A4. These are great. I had no issues with sending out stuff. Nothing has bent or been destroyed, so highly recommend these. Very good quality, and they are recyclable. So yeah, these are some of the websites I've used. I hope you find this video interesting. And also, if you remember last week's video, I opened up a giveaway with Arteza products, mainly their watercolor palette. And if you stick till the end of the video, I will be revealing the winner for you guys. So I used random.org to choose the winner. I filmed everything, so you will see that everything is nice and clear. So keep on watching to see who wins the watercolor palette, and also to see how I package up everything, how I use the mailers from Noissue, and the cards and the stickers and everything like that. Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
He got down on one knee 11, 12, 11, and her tears welled up, and her heart jumped to heaven. It was supposed to rain, but there's clear skies today. She was a rare gem, Romanian descent. He was a good man, gave her every compliment she deserved. Yeah, he treated her like a queen. He said, come with me, my darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always, through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. Well, it couldn't have been more perfect than this. Their emotions, world in bliss, like a wave built from the center of the sea. In the evening, they came home in shock. They had spoken what they always thought was a boundless love from the start. She said, come with me, my darling, love to be. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always, through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. When you're gone, I will keep the fires warm. When you're gone,